The Georgia Department of Community Health, State Office of Rural Health, SORH Program Section, has a long-standing relationship with the Burn Foundation of America, located in Augusta, Georgia. SORH manages a legislatively directed grant which helps support many of the Burn Foundation's important initiatives. The organization was initially founded as the Southeastern Firefighters Burn Foundation in 1988 by Dr. Joseph M. Steele. After witnessing the strains placed on the families of burn patients and finding a place to stay, Dr. Steele, who dedicated his career to advancing burn treatment, was driven to find a solution, holding a strong belief that having family members close by was a key factor in the healing process for burn patients. Steve Chalker serves as the CEO and president of the Burn Foundation of America. Here, Steve gives insight into his organization's relationship with SORH and the Burn Foundation's important mission.
Over the years, our relationship with the State Office of Rural Health has been great because that funding, we require that funding to complete our mission and to serve those patients. The funding that we get from State Office of Rural Health goes to direct patient services, and we are a 24/7 organization. We've provided services to 152 of 159 counties in Georgia, so we do serve the whole state. So it's a great relationship that we have, and it's just a natural fit for what we do and for what the mission of the State Office of Rural Health is doing.
In 2002, the Jeffrey Vaden Chavis House, located within walking distance of the Joseph M. Steele Burn Center at Doctors Hospital in Augusta, was dedicated as a home away from home for thousands of families while their loved ones underwent treatment. The families who stay at Chavis House come from all different backgrounds and walks of life, but their unique circumstances bring them all together under one roof. In the summer of 2025, Melinda McKim spent time at Chavis House after her son was involved in an automobile crash resulting in a significant burn injury. Here, McKim speaks about her personal experience at Chavis House.
I'm Melinda McKim from Fort Valley, Georgia. My son, Gavin, was in a car wreck and had an explosion inside the car and received second-degree burns, but at first, we didn't know the extent of it, how bad this was going to be. And we were sent to Augusta. He was flighted to Augusta, and I had to drive to Augusta late in the day. By the time I got to see him and was able to take care of everything over at the hospital. And then the nurse let me know that there was, they called it a retreat, that there was a retreat over here that I was going to be able to come to for free. And for me, in the middle of the chaos and in the middle of the pain and in the middle of all the uncertainty of what this is going to look like, just to have some place to come, something that I didn't have to worry about. I didn't have to figure out where I was going to get a motel room, where I was going to stay, but just be able to come over here and just walk in and be late at night, to be welcomed in and just have a nice bed to sleep in, a safe place, and then to wake up to the staff that was just so welcoming and so supportive. And it just took so much of a burden off of me. It was just so different than if I had to find a motel room somewhere and had to figure everything out and be in a strange place, because they do everything here that they can to make this feel like you're welcome here and like it's just like staying at a friend's house. And that was a blessing, and just everything being taken care of. It was just one thing that I didn't have to worry about in the middle of the chaos and in the middle of the tragedy.
For more information about SORH, please visit us on the web at dch.georgia.gov.